Homa Bay.
Kuonde tiegruok mag tije lwedo idwaro mondo duok piny kinde mag somo mopogore opogore mar neno ni omi rowere thuolo mar biro manyo tije. Kanolose chenro mar sidho ogudu jopuonjre maromo 650 mag tije lwedo mopogore e kaunti ma Nandi, Gavana Stephen Sang nowacho ni ber ka oduok piny kinde mag somo kokalo e chenro mar tuji ajiri. Rowerego noyudo tiegruok e sektas makonyo e bero weche mag ochumi magin kaachiel gi gedo, loso bao, suko, loso stima e kind mamoko.
Some of the ones that have graduated today, had they gone through the normal program within our VTC, a certificate course would have taken them 2 years. Under this program, they now have a certificate, having been educated, trained, examined, and found to have qualified within a period of 6 months. If something can be done, if the training can be done in 6 months, why do you want to train it in 1 year?
Creating businesses, you are able to create jobs and address the issue that we are facing as a country. It is through businesses that we can be able to generate jobs for everyone. So through this program, we still support what we call business incubation. Vijana wanaingia hapo, wanajifunza mambo ya kwanza biashara. So here I believe wale wana graduate leo, as you can see them, tomorrow hapa tuko na contractors, tuko na distributors hapa, tuko na fashion designers hapa, tuko na